watch shopping vlogs, unboxing videos, and of course fashion, lifestyle, and of course luxury handbags, this is the right place to be. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, and of course hit the notification bell so you're gonna be notified every time I'm posting a new video. By the way, my name is Bien Lovelax, and also consider follow me in Instagram, Bien Lovelax. Today's video we're gonna do a shopping haul. Right, today I really have a big purchase from Dior. So but then before we open those paper bags behind me, I'm gonna do some shopping haul from small things first. So I have something from Zara, which I really like. I like to I try to buy this one online, but I said I rather get it through the store so that I can see it and I can try it on. So this is a simple silky crop top. It's very nice, and it has a ribbon here, which I really love for a top. And this one is so perfect if I'm wearing a maxi skirt. So I have this one. So everything is in Thai baht. So this is 990. So this is the first one, and of course it's a beautiful blue dress also from Zara, just simple baby doll dress, which is really my aesthetic. I really love this kind of dress, guys, because it's just an easy going dress. So if I don't want to waste time searching for what I gonna wear for that day, this is just an easy wear. So another one, this is I keep looking for dresses with a ribbon, because I really love ribbons dresses, guys. So this one is just the color is grayish, almost with a green tone, and it's stretchy here on the top, and it's a maxi dress, and I really love the details, guys. So I look forward to wear this dress for you guys. And then we're gonna do the smallest box right here. So it's from Choklas. It's you can also accessorize this one for it's for your shades. You can do your shades like this, because it has a rubber here where you can put your shades. Or you can also do this one as a necklace itself, an accessory necklace. And the main purpose of this one is really in right now. It's you put your mask over here. Yeah, you tie up your mask here, and then you wear that, so it looks like have an accessories. And then of course when you eat, or you want to take off your mask, it's just like this. You don't need to put it in your bag, so it's gonna be dirty, or I don't like that one. So this one is really helpful, and I really love it. So yeah, this is really nice, very classic gold. So, and another one, I also bought this one. It's not an acrylic, but it's really special material, which is very light, very beautiful, pastel color. So you just do this, yeah, and something like that. So it looks great. So the next thing is this from vintage shop here in Central Embassy. So yeah, this is really nice, guys. If you are in Bangkok, you visit this shop. They have amazing collection. They have amazing things there, you can imagine sometime they have vintage bags, everything that they have there, bags, shoes, or scarves, or clothes, at least 20 years old or more. So it's something to visit. And this one, guys, what I got is you recognize this dust bag, guys. It's from Hermes. Yeah, and I think this dust bag is way back long time ago, because I don't think I see this orange dust bag anymore. And it's really special, guys. Yeah, it's really nice dust bag, I must say, because now they changed it. It's something brown dust bag, light brown dust bag, and it's more textured. I really don't like that one. I love this one. It's so soft. It's very luxe. And the one I got, so this is the shoes, guys. It's a chocolate brown velvet material shoes with palladium hardware here, the H palladium hardware. And then inside is leather. It says Hermes Paris over there. And then here in the back you have 1.5 inch heels, quite solid heels. And the best thing with this one, guys, is unused. It never been used. So everything there in that shop is at least 20 years old. So this one, let's say maybe it's a 20-year-old shoes, and now they start to reproduce again this design, and it's so beautiful. And I'm so happy when I fitted it, it's just fits like a glove in my feet, and it's so comfortable. And I'm so happy that I get one of this. So I think this one now is maybe at least $1,000 retail price is one, or 1,200. This kind of shoes is a little bit expensive, but I get in that shop about let's say 300 US dollar. So it's really, really a good deal. So yeah, and let's move on to Dior now. So I get excited. So as what I said, like, I did not shop in Dior before. Like, the last time that I remember that I shop in Dior is like at least 5 years ago, and I only buy earrings from them. I never have any handbags from them, and shoes or anything like that, or even wallet. I don't have something from them. So this is really my first time to shop a lot from them this time. So yeah, let's open this one. So of course the paper bag is so cute, guys. Like, it's like white paper bag, and of course, like, and I really love this star, like metal star with Dior. So I want to collect this one, and like I will put in the Christmas tree. And of course, the ribbon is so beautiful as well. It's like white, very elegant, very dainty. I love the Dior ribbon. So yeah, you can tie up in your hair or something like that. So this is the one inside the box, guys. It's the cell phone case of iPhone 12. So I just got my iPhone 12 like a month ago, so it's very new. So I know that my iPhone 12 gonna stay with me at least a year or two. So like, and then I'm gonna use this iPhone case every day. And I like, it's so impractical to buy a very expensive phone case, but with this one I think it's worth it, because like, I always hold them, and this one is like made of tough skin leather, which is like really soft to touch, and it's like you have a grip in your hands. So I think it's worth it, because like, I'm gonna keep this phone for 2 years anyway. So like, I think it's worth it to buy a very nice iPhone case. And then like, it's yeah. And then this made of calfskin leather, and then like, the print is like, this is a Christian Dior print, and then you can feel the Christian Dior here is a little bit like puffy. You can really feel the texture. And then Christian Dior Paris, and then the print is like, this is really a typical print of Dior, and it's like brownish peach color, which is like really my color. And the phone case itself, guys, is perfectly fit on my phone, and it's really nice to hold. So I think it's worth it to invest in a beautiful iPhone case, since you hold them like, almost 10 hours every day. Move on to the next one. So we have another box here, smaller box. And so I have the Dior Saddle card case. By the way, guys, I was influenced to get this one because of my friend Always Antoinette. Shout out to you. And like, please do watch her channel, guys. She's an amazing lady. So Always Antoinette just unboxed her saddle card case, guys, and I was influenced by her. She got I think it's the monogram. She got the monogram. So mine is made of goat skin, and then the color is like dark lavender. So it's like the color is like pinkish, but it's like, it's called like pinkish and purple. So it's really beautiful color, guys, and it's like, since it's goat skin, it's very soft. So yeah, you know that already. We can put a card slot over there, and then here you can have like 1-2 card slots, and then here in the front as well, and then like here in the middle is quite a big spacious space here. So let's try on like, what can fit in this my ECB cards there, and then like, my driver's license on the back here, and then in front, like, maybe my Hong Kong ID in the front. Whoa, it's in one card slot, guys. You can put 2 cards in there, and then of course, like, this is all my cards, and of course, like, I can do like my membership cards and stuff like that. So it's already 6 cards here inside. I can put 6 cards inside, and even like this, maybe 10 pieces of cash. So you can fold and you can put inside. So easy. Oh, it's so spacious. Look at that. And I already put like 10 pieces of money, and then like, 10 pieces of cards. It's perfectly, still have like a lot of space. Yeah. And of course, like, you can also put coins in this one. So it's very versatile. On to the last paper bag right here. So this one's quite heavy. It's quite big. So you can guess what is it, guys? So is it? So actually, by the way, I go in Dior yesterday because I want to try on their Bobby bag. I've been trying that one several times already. It's my 3rd time to visit the shop and check the Bobby bag. But unfortunately, I don't get the Bobby bag yet. But I have this box, guys. So let's gonna open it. I get a Dior espadrilles, guys. And oh, so beautiful. I've been eyeing Chanel espadrilles for a long time, and then I kept trying them, and it really doesn't fit on my feet. And then the first time, like, you know, I saw this espadrille, the color is really beautiful brown. It's like medium brown. It's so perfect. Look at that, my skin tone. Yeah, it's almost my skin tone. And then I really love the color of this espadrille, guys. And then when I tried it on, it's so perfect in my feet. It's like, you know, like it's like a gloves in my feet. And I said, this is the right espadrille for me, because, like, you know, I really like espadrille because, like, you know, my toenails is not so nice. It's really nice, not nice, guys. So, you know, I want like something to close my feet, and then I don't want a rubber shoes because I don't want to, like, you know, put the shoelace all the time. And I love this one because, like, you know, you can just take off and you know, just easy wear. And, like, of course, like, you know, when you're driving, it's quite nice that you have like an espadrille or like something like really holding your feet. So, like, you know, so aside from a very classic beautiful color, guys, you know, I bought this espadrilles because of that purposes. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the notification bell so you're gonna be notified every time I'm posting a new video. And of course, share this one to your friends, and to the next video, guys. Have a luxury day. Bye.